What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from El Paso, Texas. Let's begin.
All right, as you can see, El Paso is in the southwestern corner of Texas, so close to New Mexico and the country of Mexico. It's literally in a borderplex metro area. In this travel guide of El Paso, we're going to show you around the downtown area, go to the actual border with Mexico, and show you the outlook, the viewpoint that overlooks all of El Paso and Juarez.
Did you know El Paso is one of the oldest settlements in North America, settled in 1680 by the Spaniards? Also, right now, currently, it's the second largest city in the southwestern United States. If you include Las Cruces, Ciudad Juarez, and El Paso, you're talking a population in a region called the Borderplex, 2.5 million people. Now, when you come out here to El Paso and you go to Pioneer Park, you'll see an alligator statue, and you want to know why it's here. Did there used to be alligators in the Rio Grande? Well, actually, the reason is because they had entertaining area in a pond where they had alligators in the 1800s all the way until around the 1950s and 60s is when they finally did away with that alligator pond. That's why they have alligator statue right here, because they used to use alligators for entertainment in the late 1800s right here in downtown El Paso. And where we're at now is Torres Street, right at the intersection of El Paso Street. We're going to actually walk around here. We got a plaza and some other walking areas that we're going to explore right across the street from Paso Del Norte Hotel. So here we are at the Museum of El Paso Art in the Art District. It's actually free and closes at 6 p.m. So you don't have to pay anything, free exhibit. I went inside there, nice and cool. It's like an ice box in there. And pretty good exhibit to take in some art. Here we have the honey locust tree and a yucca terry, some local plants. Right here in the Arts District, you have the Performing Arts Center right over here, and then you have a baseball stadium. Let's go take a look. The name of the stadium is the Southwest University Park, and it's for the Chihuahuas, the El Paso Chihuahuas, AAA. As you can see, we have a transport station right here that'll take you from downtown all the way up to Wrestler and West Side Transit Station in Remcon Circle. So ride the bus if you need to. Here's some quick facts about El Paso. It's the 22nd largest city with a population just under 700,000 people. If you go across the border into Ciudad Juarez, Chihuahua, that's also one of the biggest cities in all of Mexico. Now, El Paso, if you translate it to English, means the pass. And if you're looking for a hotel to stay at while you're in El Paso, that's right there in the middle of it all, Paso Del Norte. You'll notice the Rio Grande department store is now a place where ladies go to get wedding dresses. Look. It's closed right now, but if you come over here to Paso del Norte, they have ghost tours. Look at Paranormal Society right here.
A city like El Paso does have quite a bit of paranormal activity, as it went beyond becoming a ghost town. It basically passed the test and became a booming metropolis in the modern era. But this is why there's a paranormal ghost tour here. Obviously, the city dates all the way back to the 1600s, so it is an old city.
Here we are in front of the old Montgomery Building. It's one of the oldest structures in El Paso. It's made of wood from 1881. Now it's actually made of decorative wood, but now it's a pawn shop. Let's go take a look. Gotta push. Yep, so I got some carne asada, or beefsteak. Beefsteak right here down on the border, basically. Here we are on the corner of Santa Fe and 4th. Right here is the Sun Metro Transit Station. You can get buses right next to the train tracks. You can see even they have a mural of the El Paso streetcar. So here we are at the border of US and Mexico. Right here, you see this big bridge right here. On the American side is US Customs. On the other side is Mexico Customs. You see the bridge, it actually has a curvature over the walking side because you can walk or drive across the border here. But there's a long line. We can't film it because Customs said no videos down there.
But as you can see, we can actually film El Paso Street, which is what you're looking at here. This is what you see when you first come into the United States from Mexico. Roll right down El Paso Street into United States, El Paso, the whole thing. But yeah, this area right here is like a big flea market. Lots of stores down here selling all types of different items.
The area we're walking right now is called El Paso Street. So as you can see, there's lots of shopping up and down this street that you can take part in.
All right, now that we've shown you around downtown El Paso, what we're going to do now is go up to an outlook and give you a great view overlooking El Paso and Ciudad Juarez. From this location downtown all the way to the outlook is about a one-way drive, approximately 10 minutes depending on traffic.
So here we are high above Texas in El Paso's Scenic Overlook. You can see Ciudad Juarez way out there. El Paso down here. You look right over here. More of Juarez, Benito Juarez, Ciudad Juarez. Big old city. Huge borderplex as they call it. A big, massive metropolis on both sides of the border.
All right, Island Hoppers, thanks for watching this episode of El Paso, Texas. We are going to be showing you guys around Texas and the rest of the Midwest here in our upcoming video series, travel guides. So stick around for those and watch some of these other videos that we've made previously. See you guys on the next one, and thanks to everyone for hitting that like button.